think what they say about this?
When they say Wi-Fi, they say
Okay.
they're loving that they can be connected. And we had e-twinning project, and were talking about with the Polish people. They were so excited to know that the other worlds also don't speak English very well, and they are not so bad.
Exactly. Globalization.
And, globalization and these kind of things, they are very interested. And in this year we also Microsoft Innovative School project in this school, and they also the head of the schools. People are very excited to go to America and see other schools, because for us it is all so common already. If I do something, they say, oh, you will always do that, and nobody says, oh, this is something. But if you go to the other schools, you will not see this kind of developments and these ideas, and if you have ideas and tools, the people are saying, oh yes, we have, but we don't use, because it's difficult to us and we have to not have the trainings. And then they will see that in other schools, the other things are common. So when they see that our things that we are doing for them are not so common, they will appreciate what we really have.
Why are you organizing this day of Wi-Fi?
Yeah.
Why? What do you expect, and what is your idea?
Because I know that my students